third phase of Umrah pilgrimage resumption for Muslims belonging to foreign countries is starting from today on Sunday. UN chief calls on Azerbaijan and Armenia to ensure protection of civilians and conduct of military operations. Pakistan and Turkey express concern over rising Islamophobia in the Western world, particularly in Europe. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has announced a second national lockdown in the UK. In Pakistan, now 12,592 are active corona cases in the country. In Algeria, people are voting in a referendum today for a revised constitution.